Muling ibinaba ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas ang benchmark policy rate ng 25 basis points. Ito na ang ikalimang beses na nag-implement ng rate cut ang BSP mula pa noong Agosto 2024. Narito ang agenda report ni Sujin Kim.
Muling tinapyasa ng Bangko Sentral ang kanilang benchmark interest rate ng 25 basis points. Mula 5.5% noong Abril, ngayon ay nasa 5.25% na lang. Inadjust na rin ang overnight deposit at lending rates to 4.75 and 5.75% respectively. Ang desisyon ng Monetary Board ay dala ng pagbaba ng inflation outlook at bilang suporta sa nangihinang ekonomiya ng bansa sa gitna ng lumalalang tensyon sa Middle East at pagbagal ng global economic activity. Ayon sa BSP, inaasahang bababa ang average inflation sa 1.6% ngayong 2025 mula sa dating forecast na 2.4%.
We now recognize the slowdown in food inflation, something that we have been observing for the past 4-5 months of the year, and we think that it will continue to spill over.
Pero bahagyang tumaas ang inflation forecast para sa 2026 at 2027. Nananatiling bantay sarado ang BSP sa mga posibleng banta sa price stability. Kabilang ang tumataas na presyo ng langis, adjustments sa kuryente at mas mataas na taripa sa bigas. Nauna nang sinabi ni BSP Governor Ellie Remolona Jr. na tinututukan din nila ang patuloy na paghina ng piso kontra dolyar. Pero giit ng BSP, hindi ito magti-trigger ng malawakang intervention.
We won't have enough reserves to do that. At some point, we would have to intervene more seriously if the depreciation continues.
In terms of the peso-dollar rate, we have incorporated the latest developments in the international oil markets. The Monetary Board is very vigilant, and they have identified the episodes or possible episodes of a further rise in oil prices as something that could add inflationary pressures moving forward. So we are looking at the developments in the Middle East as well as their impact on the inflation outlook.
Tiniyak ng BSP na maaaring magkaroon pa ng isa o dalawang rate cut bago matapos ang taon, pero giit nito nakadepende pa rin sa datos.
If things remain on track, then we'll probably cut once more. But depending on the data, we may cut twice more. And depending on the data, we may not cut at all. But for now, if things remain on track, as I said, isa pang 25 basis points.
May tatlo pang mga policy meeting ngayong taon kung kailan inaasahang magtatapos ang easing cycle ng Bangko Sentral. Para sa agenda, Sujin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.